Yay, we're really excited. We have some travel plans. We're hoping they come true. We'll see what goes on. But it's been a great stay. It's a beautiful area. Speaking to the truck drivers that just run ore up and down this highway, there's some real cute little areas to go to. Beautiful hamburgers, petrol, diesel. How much is that? $1.60, almost $1.70. But it's really pretty here. We've made a decision and we're leaving Doon Doon in Western Australia. We've got about a 2-hour run. Hopefully we've got all our documents. We'll be able to cross the NT border. We just did a T intersection here. Katherine is that way to the territory. So it's already 30, it's about 7:45. And yeah, a couple hours should see us crossing the border. Yay, we're really excited. Here we go. Right to Kununurra. Wagon tow.
The dam at the Argyle Lake was built in 1963 and covers 13,000 square hectares with a catchment area of 46,000 square miles. That's New Jersey and Vermont together, or nearly the size of Wales, and a third of the size of Tasmania.
We are in the Northern Territory.
Very nice.
Very, very lovely police people. And we handed over our documents and it was a perfunctory check. Make sure we got our documents. You've got plenty of time to cross the territory. They said, so take it easy. Boom.
Step one.
Step ahead.
We keep looking for nice baobab trees, and there was one just past us. The Northern Territory Highway has a limit of 130 kilometres per hour or 85 miles an hour. Not that we travel that speed with the caravan on.
So we've just come through Timber Creek and I've got plenty of gas to get me onto the next place.
Katherine.
But the coppers at the Border Patrol said stop at the BP and get a really good bacon and egg banjo for lunch at the BP, or come through town. There's a United and a Puma and no BP, so we got duffed in by the coppers. We're staying at the Riverview Caravan Park and beautiful lazy day, and we didn't know, but there's like hot springs things here.
This is really interesting.
We've really enjoyed our short trip to Katherine. We need to come back when we have more time to look around. As you know, we're on a mission to get to the East Coast for a very important family event. Our next 2 steps are Banka Banka Station near Tennant Creek, and then we're on to Camberwell, which will mean we're in Queensland. So until next time, please take care, like, subscribe and share our videos.